Here is Volkswagen Jeta. We have a transmission issue. I already made diagnostic before, but I just want to show exactly what's the issue. So the code is P2714, pressure solenoid stuck off. So there's two of them, two are same, so if it doesn't matter, I already cleaned it, still appears. So we're gonna see what's the issue. The guy, he already made a replacement of his gearbox for transmission. So he replaced the transmission. Now we're gonna see. I was actually assuming, but he decided to do himself. I was assuming that there's an issue with the wiring. So now I'm gonna check the wires. Let's see. What is it gonna happen? So there is, that's this one connector is 14-pin connector, and there is one more 8-pin connector. So they both wires could be damaged somehow, so we're gonna check it out. Probability is very small, but still could be something. Okay, that's the issue. Here it is. This wire. That's a 14. No, not the 14. 8-pin connector. So that's the one place where I'm gonna try to solder it, or I don't know. We'll see the options and we'll go from there. Okay, so what should we do now? This pin could be, I believe so, disassembled like that. That's the purple pin. And what's now? Here we are. That's the pin, came out. So this is how I made it. So I'm gonna connect it right there, and hopefully it's gonna work. Here's in the place. So now I'm gonna, this pin goes back here. Then this rubber seal has to go back in place. It's gotta be tricky. So actually it's much better to do first this, the rubber seal, and then pull back that, pull inside this rubber seal. But I don't want to take out that. Here it is. Now I don't have a solder machine with me here, but what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna twist it as a regular connection. That's a temporary solution just for now to drive, and then I'm gonna order the whole pin, whole connector, and replace the whole thing. Now, to be safe, I'm gonna tape it. Let's put everything back in place and try it out. See now, if it will hit now, then that's not an issue. If not, then that was the solution. Just in case, I'm gonna do I'm gonna run OBD test. Let's see. One get released. Okay, seems good. It doesn't heat anymore. So I think that was the issue. I'm gonna make a test drive. And let's see. I'm gonna ride a little bit. Hopefully it'll start working okay. Okay, everything is working now. Yep. It's switching. You can clearly see. I'm gonna start from the light. But that's for sure. Yeah, it's working. So that was the issue. That what is it? That wire. So give me some likes and comments if you find it helpful to you, and see you guys in the next video.